good day, the internet. As you can see, I'm in a very messy van, and the sun is out, and I have an air fryer. So we're going to experiment to see, can we cook some of these things called chips, or in other countries fries, in the air fryer using only the power of the sun. So we have a 200 amp hour lithium ion battery in the box, an inverter, some sun, and that's our current usage. We're getting in 3 watts. So let's see if we can cook chips in here. So chips in the basket. Basket on 200 odd degrees, and we're going to give them 20 minutes. Let's see how they turn out. Right, so we are using 800 and nearly 900 watts, nearly 1000 watts. Because the sun has gone behind a cloud. We shall see how chips turn out. I already know how chips turn out, to be honest, but you don't. And they're seasoned fries as well. Right, we are at our near enough 5-minute mark, and we've used 2% of our battery. The sun is almost back out, and we're using less wattage. We have 260 watts of solar on the roof doing its thing. Give it a shake, put it back in. Right, let's check back in at the 10-minute mark, shall we? Right, we are at the 10-minute mark. We've used 5% of our battery. There's a plane going across. And our chips are looking pretty good. So I reckon another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and they'll be done. And we'll probably have used 10% of our battery. We're drawing 932 watts at the moment, again because the sun is over there behind that there cloud. That's the apical fridge. It's not turned on at the moment, but our chips are beginning to look good. Right, back in 5. Right, we are at the 5-minute mark. Oh, 15 minutes we've been on now, and we've used 93% battery. We're currently pulling 800 and something watts, 184 amp hours left of our 200 amp hours. Let's check our chips, shall we? They're nearly done. Right, let's check back in 5 minutes and see what our total amp hour and percentage usage is, shall we? Right, so we have seconds to go. We are at 180 amp hours, so we've used 20 amp hours of our battery, which is 9%. We're using 939 watts, 38 watts. The sun has gone back in again, bastard. But our chips will shortly be done. So shall we wait for the bing together? Oh, I think it might be ready to shut off in a minute because it stopped using so much power, so it's probably switched off the heating element as it's getting closer to the Dewberry box, to the time. So yeah, we're only now using 16 watts. Are we going to get a bing? Are we going to get a bing? Are we going to get a bing? There's the bing. Let's check our chips, shall we? They look good and done. No chips. Chips. Alright, let's turn off our inverter and go eat some chips. And we'll see how long that takes to get back up to 100% if the sun never comes out again. So it's about 3:30 now. I'll come back in a couple of hours and I'll check. Right, I've eaten my chips. I put the fryer under the bench. It's been about 5 minutes, but we've already gained an extra % of our battery and a couple of amp hours. The sun is still in, but we are getting in 43 watts still. So in my calculations, in about 3 or 4 hours, that will be back to 100%. Just using those couple of 100 watts of solar. So can you cook chips or fries in a camper van using the power of the sun? Yes, you can. I'll leave a link in the description for the air fryer and the charge controllers and the Renogy battery monitor and stuff. And please like, comment, subscribe, or just be an arse and click the dislike button and leave a really arsey comment, because I love reading those. Anyway, peace.